Contra Costa County, you did it. We hit 1 million COVID-19 vaccinations. This is a major milestone. Thank you.
Thank you so much for getting us through today and looking forward towards a safer tomorrow.
I want to thank every employee, every member of the community, just for stepping up and being a community.
I want the community to be aware of all the hard work they did and help us get to this point.
Seeing everyone step up, it's given us hope.
It's been a great effort. It's been a lot of hard work, but everybody's just stood up and made it happen, so it's greatly appreciated.
Thank you, everybody involved in the vaccination effort. Getting 1 million doses in our arms is no small feat.
Thank you for doing your part to get us through this pandemic.
Thank you to our community partners who worked every day alongside our health services staff.
You are appreciated, unsung heroes behind the scenes, helping us get through this battle against COVID-19. For all of this, I want to thank each and every one of you.
Thank you, Contra Costa.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your courage and commitment.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Contra Costa.
You rock. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to all Contra Costans.
Thank you.
Thank you to everyone in Contra Costa Health Services and across our county for coming together to make real progress controlling the pandemic and getting the vaccines out. You are saving lives.